Plating of the chicken wings, the macaroni cheese, the string beans, and the peas that I did for my family tonight. I want to show you guys the plating of the dish that I did. So I'm just gonna do a taste. I'm gonna show you my chicken. Put my chicken right here. See how nice and easy it cuts with a fork. This is how the other side looks. So I'm gonna pick up a piece and just taste it for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna walk over here with my plate. I might put it on my cutting board right here. Okay, so that's my dish right there. So now I'm just gonna do a taste test for you guys. Good night.